Types of nutrition. The nutrients are required for the proper growth and development of living organisms. Nutrients provide energy that is needed to carry out the metabolic functions of the body. Nutrition can be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Plants are the only living organisms that synthesize food for themselves. Thus, plants are autotrophs. The word auto means self, and this mode of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. Animals and most other living organisms like human beings take in ready-made food prepared by the plants. They are called heterotrophs, and this mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic nutrition. The organisms that are involved in the processing of dead or decayed organic matter are called saprotrophs, and this type of nutrition is called as saprotrophic nutrition. Some plants like Cuscuta derives their nutrition from other plants called the host plants. Such plants are called as parasitic plants, and this mode of nutrition is called as parasitic nutrition.